Well, inside Minnesota's Bureau of Criminal Apprehension is cutting-edge ballistics technology that is cracking cases, even some cold cases. Gordon Severson had a chance today to get a behind-the-scenes look, and he shows us those advancements.
When a shooting or a murder happens, you might be surprised to learn how much goes into that investigation. The Minnesota BCA is giving us a behind-the-scenes look to show you the tools and technology they use on a case.
It allows us to provide answers.
The answers to important questions like who pulled the trigger.
Pull it back.
Every gun that arrives at the BCA is inspected and swabbed for DNA.
We'll just swab the grip area.
They also look for fingerprints and unique markings on the gun.
There's a lot of work that goes into evaluating firearms.
Steve Swenson, the assistant lab director at the BCA, says after the initial inspection, all guns are sent to the range.
This is our water tank.
Most of the guns are fired into this tank, where the water keeps the bullet intact.
So we're able to really see how that firearm marks those bullets.
Forensic scientist Emily Tisdale says they also use a cotton trap.
We use this specifically for larger calibers, typically if we have rifles.
And for guns that are damaged or homemade, scientists use a firing cart.
So I will go ahead and arm our system.
The bullets are then analyzed using high-powered microscopes that can see the unique fingerprint every gun leaves behind. They also take high-resolution pictures of every bullet and shell casing.
She's taken a cartridge case.
And every sample is added to a nationwide database called NIBIN. So scientists across the country can see if this gun was also used in other crimes.
So what we're looking at here is the firing pin impression.
BCA scientists also have access to a library of more than 6,000 guns and nearly every type of ammunition you can think of, because even the smallest detail could help investigators solve a case.
So that we can get investigative leads out to agencies and law enforcement as quickly as possible.
Gordon Severson, KARE 11 News.